Alright, today we're going to do the oil change. I have Amsoil here. I'm going to try their flush, and what that does is gets rid of your carbon buildup, your varnish and stuff. This truck doesn't have very many miles on it, but we'll take a look at the oil once I drain it with this flush. We got the EA 017 filter, 520 OE. Because the truck's on warranty, I'm just going to change it in the regular intervals, which this recommends. I think next time I do it, I will change to the Signature Series. If you want to go down there and like and subscribe, we're going to start the truck up here and see what it sounds like before, and then we'll do some starts after I've changed over to my Amsoil. And let's see how this product does. So this is the before the Amsoil. I don't know if you guys can hear that tick. I want to see if that's going to go away after we do the Amsoil. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's quite distinctive. Alright, so we just put our bottle of flush in there. Put our fill cap back on. There it says 520. Just doing the OE brand this time. Next time I'll do the Signature Series. So I'll flash it up. We'll have a little listen. Let it warm up for about 10 minutes. Let that flush work. You just let it idle for about 10 minutes, and then I'll drop the oil here. Let it get nice and warm. We'll put on our Amsoil filter, and there's your Ford filter from Amsoil, EA 017. So there we do. We got the flush, got our oil, got the sticker on there already. Let it warm up. Try doing this with one hand. Get our bucket. There's our oil plug. Oh, that's in a good spot. There we go. Oil plug is, see the yellow? There she's gonna go, so I got one hand here. Oh, Nelly. It's gonna make a mess. Look at that. It hits that crossbar. It's horrible. Still draining just a little bit there, so we'll just keep letting it go. There's a drain plug in the newer Ford F-150s. Interesting. And your filter's up at the front, but we'll just let this drain out. Alright, here we are, pretty much done. So I'm gonna put this plug back in. Click when it's done. Should be able to just twist it off by hand here. Oh yeah, there it is. Gonna make a mess. Make sure our tray is. Oh, look at this. What a stupid design. I'll take a look and see. Our Amsoil filter compared to our stock Ford filter. Here's our Amsoil filter. Comes all wrapped up. Well, I might add. Some differences. There we go, threading it on. Nice and tight. Alright, the oil filter's on. Got our funnel. Straight on the cap, 520. Start. Pouring the oil. Well, there it is. Oil change's all done. I don't know if it's much quieter. It's definitely smoother when I first started it up. I just wanted to clean my bucket. Look at how dirty that was. That engine oil only had 7,000 kilometers on it. That is insane. So I'll do another video. Hopefully it's a little better than this last one. And I'll show dumping the Amsoil. And we'll see what it looks like. So if you guys wouldn't mind going down to the subscribe button there, or like the video, it'd be great. Thanks. Okay, here we go. It's the next day. I'm gonna start this truck up. We've done our Amsoil change. I'm gonna see if this runs a little quieter, a little smoother. Let's go in close, be fair. Sounds smoother to me, I don't know. Let's go to the side that really had the distinctive noise. Oh wow, it idled down a lot faster than normal. I'm a believer in the product. If you guys want to try Amsoil, it's I'll have it in the description. You go down to the description, I'll put a link. You can go onto their website and look at their products, see what will work for your vehicle. You can use my referral number, sign up as a preferred customer or a dealer if you want. If you use this number, and you get 25% off as a preferred customer, or you can just do the dealer thing. It's up to you. That is my number. And the other thing is, if you wanted to be a retailer or whatever, carry this product, I definitely think I can't believe the difference. So anyways, if you guys wouldn't mind going down there and hitting the like or subscribe button for me, so I know whether to keep making the videos. Thanks.